expectations from the budget?
The expectations are regarding the long-term capital gain tax and basically the capital gain tax on the listed securities. So for many years, about 15 years, every government comes up and then says there would be a long-term capital gain tax on this, but every year it's moved on to the next year.
What I'm expecting is the scrapping of a personal income tax system and bringing back the consumption-based indirect tax.
Wishing for that every year.
Indirect tax system.
Your
My
expectations?
expectations from the budget are around the literacy around GST.
Okay.
So because GST came as a big reform for the Indian tax
Right,
structure,
right.
and the government wanted to capture the entire nation into one tax bracket. So while this move came, the implementation was very smooth, and the government has been successfully able to implement GST, but not everybody will be very well versed with these tactical changes, how to deal with them. So say suppose a small trader or a small consumer in a small town or a village in India is not really sure if he is being overcharged, or what rate should he charge for the goods that he's supplying for.
Right.
So what is the government doing about it? Is there any way that the government is making the literacy about GST being very widespread?
Right.
So my suggestion here would be that there could be a toll-free dial-in number where people could just dial in and ask the rates that,
Oh, that's a good suggestion.
yeah, so if there's something, if I need to know about a rate of a particular product that I'm buying, or if I'm a seller and I do not know what to charge to the consumer, so I can just call up the number and ask, like what is the rate? Because there is the app that government launched about for knowing the rates, but it does require a smartphone and internet connection, which most of the country population would not have. So a dial-in number which can be accessible without internet connection or does not require a smartphone is something which I'm really looking forward to in the new budget.
I think 2017 was a monumental year for the Indian economy as the government ushered in demonetization as well as GST in the same year. While the effects of them in the long term need to be seen, but I definitely feel that GST is going to be a game changer in the Indian context. But for it to be effective, we have to make sure that we address the teething troubles
The pain
in the
points.
implementation in this budget, definitely.